Hello and welcome to MoveSmart Rentals. We're looking for an experienced Senior Accounts Payable Specialist who understands that great accounts payable work goes far beyond entering invoices. If you enjoy taking ownership of financial processes, investigating discrepancies, working with vendors, and making sure payments are accurate, properly supported, and ready on time, we want to give you a clear picture of this opportunity. This position supports our Canadian operations and works across multiple companies, properties, departments, and vendor accounts. Your responsibility is to help keep the accounts payable function accurate, organized, controlled, and ready for management review. In practical terms, you'll manage the AP cycle from invoice receipt through payment preparation and reconciliation. You'll review and code invoices, verify supporting documentation and approvals, match charges against work orders, purchase orders, contracts, and vendor records, and prepare payment runs for approval. You'll also reconcile vendor statements, investigate missing invoices, credits, duplicate charges, and payment discrepancies, and support month-end activities and AP reporting. You'll communicate directly with Canadian vendors and work closely with operations, property management, maintenance, and finance. We're looking for someone who doesn't simply identify a problem and pass it along. When something doesn't match, we expect you to investigate it, document it, communicate with the right people, and follow through until it's resolved. This is a senior-level position. We require at least 4 years of dedicated accounts payable or accounting operations experience, with 4 to 7 or more years of directly relevant experience strongly preferred. Previous experience supporting Canadian companies is required, along with practical knowledge of GST and HST. You should also have strong Excel or Google Sheet skills and experience with QuickBooks Online or another established accounting platform. A bachelor's degree in accounting, finance, business administration with an accounting concentration, or a closely related field is required. A professional accounting designation in your country is an asset, but it is not required. This is a remote position for candidates in Colombia and the Philippines, and you must be able to work full-time during Ontario business hours. Because you'll be working across accounting systems, spreadsheets, documents, communication tools, and meetings, you'll need a reliable computer with at least 16 gigabytes of RAM, dual monitors, high-speed internet, a webcam, professional headset, and a quiet professional workspace. Compensation is based on experience, qualifications, and the scope of the role, and will be discussed during the interview process. Here's what to expect if you apply. First, submit your application and resume. Our recruitment partner will review your background, and if it aligns with the position, you'll receive an email inviting you to complete a short pre-recorded interview. This helps us assess things a resume alone cannot show, including your Canadian AP knowledge, HST understanding, judgment, technical ability, and how you approach real accounting situations. Candidates who perform well may move to the next interview stage. After the interview process, we'll determine which candidate is selected. If you're selected, the staffing agency we use will send you instructions to create your own login credentials. Once logged in, you'll review your offer and accept or decline it. If you accept, you'll proceed with onboarding. Because this role involves financial records, company systems, vendor information, and payment processes, onboarding includes responsible identity and background verification. You should expect to provide government-issued photo identification, proof of your current address, a criminal background check, professional or employment references, banking information for payment, and proof of your required education. You'll also verify your remote setup through items such as an internet speed test, computer specification screenshot, workstation photo, and typing test where applicable. All documentation must be current, clear, readable, and verifiable. So, is this the right opportunity for you? If you have genuine full-cycle AP experience, have supported Canadian companies, understand Canadian tax treatment, and can independently investigate problems while maintaining strong financial controls, we'd like to hear from you. Apply today and keep an eye on your email for the next step.